Hey up guys, welcome to Dawn Cooking Skills. So today guys, I'll be making some mutton soup. And sorry about that guys, I already had my meat in the pan and it's cooking, but I just gonna explain what I have in there. In the pan I have a pint and a half of water, and then I leave it until it starts boiling up. And then I had like 3 pegs of garlic. I like to cook meat with my, soup, whatever meat I'm cooking, I like to put garlic in there. And so I have about half a kilo of mutton, and I wash it and wait until the pot start to boil up, then I had the meat to it. So guys, yeah, so that is there, start boiling or cooking. And then I'm going to leave it for about half an hour to stay there cooking. And then in my bowl here guys, I have some carrots, so 2 small carrots. I have a chocho. I have a bit of, not a lot of pumpkin, about a quarter of pumpkin. And some okra. I don't have any turnip, so I'll be doing it without turnip today. Yes guys, so it's, as I said before, it's 2 small carrots, 1 chocho, some okra, and some pumpkin. Yeah. So I'll be leaving it until half an hour time, and for me to add the vegetable to it. And then after that, I leave it another until check my meat to see how soft it is, and then I will start adding the rest of my ingredients, which is going to be a bit of yam. Guys, if you're making soup, it's nice to have a bit of yam. You don't have to be a big piece. You can just go to the shop, the West Indian. Some supermarkets selling the yam now, so you can go and buy a bit of yam, a bit of cocoa. If you don't have any cocoa, it doesn't matter. And you can put a bit of a small potato in there, which is like Irish potato. You can add that with your yam. When I'm making soup, I like to put dumpling into my soup. So yes, so I'll be adding all those things into my soup. So guys, I'll be just keep you posting, show you how I make my mutton soup. And so guys, you can have a go at it as well if you want to try it out. A lot of you guys already know about, you can make mutton soup or any type of meat you can use to make soup. Beef, mutton, oxtail, cow foot. If you want to make pea soup, you'd use salted, like a salt pork. Yeah, you go get your hack and to do that. Yes, but today I'll be doing my mutton soup. And so I will keep showing you what I do to make my mutton soup, guys. Yeah, so that's cooking now, and give it about 30 minutes, and then I'll be adding the veggie. I know I keep saying, repeating myself, and then after that, when check my meat and my veg to see, if you need time to put the rest of ingredients in, I'll show you as well. So just keep watching, guys. Welcome back, guys. So this is my mutton soup, guys. See how pretty it is. This is all the veg in there, and the pumpkin and the carrot and the okra. It boiled out. See, you won't be seeing the okra. It's all on. And let me wash my hands, guys. My hands are already clean, but to make sure you guys can see that I wash my hands, and then I'll be drying it off. So right here, guys, so in here I had a bit of yam, and so I'll be adding it to it. Just about, and then cut it into 4 little bits. And then I had 2 small pieces of cocoa and 1 potato, and I cut it in 3 pieces. was already washed, guys, yeah? So now we're adding. Yes, guys, I forget to let you know, to boil the meat, sometimes that first amount of water will be dry down. So what you have to do, guys, is keep topping it up with hot water. Don't use cold water in there. And so what you have to do is keep checking it, see how boiled down it is, and keep adding more hot water to it. Yes, guys? Put that over there. Stick up the greens. And here, I'm just taking off these here. That boiling. Yeah. So I'll be putting 2 dumplings in there, guys. So I already made my dumpling, my flour, and so I'll be again. I make the pot keep boiling, and then you add your dumpling to it. Yeah. So you make this little thing, and then you just go like that. They don't have to be big of something. They just have to be tiny ones. Yeah, small dumplings. So you keep, and then you do that. When I make soup, guys, I just like to put dumplings in mine. Okay. Then bigger ones. Yeah. These are what I like doing small. Yeah. Hey guys. Yeah, what I have here, guys, is some fresh thyme, and they have already washed, so I'll be adding that in there. And then I like to put a bit of onion in mine as well, in there. And then I'll be smashing some scallion. That is like, we call it spring onion here. And so I'll be adding a bit of onion in there. Smashing some scallion. It's a big noise. It's a bit noisy. Now we're having that. Yeah, yeah. I'm just gonna put a whole of pepper in there. And I want it popped. And then guys, I'll be having, check my timing. I'll be having some all-purpose seasoning. Adding one of these pumpkin called noodle, and this guys, this give it a lot of taste, make it taste really really nice. So you just add one, make sure you mix it in, because if you don't, it'll make it have lumps, so you have to mix that in when you pour it in, because it's like a flowery looking thing, but then it have noodle and it have really make the soup tasty. Yeah, and you can get these from any you can get these from the supermarket as well, and the West Indian shops. Right, so then I'll be leaving this for another 30 minutes. To finish up. So I'm gonna have a taste. Sorry. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt because it's not salt. I have to put a bit in there. And stir that in. And then guys, I will just turn the fire down and let it stay there and cook. Hey guys, welcome back to my mutton soup, guys. This is it. I had a pepper in there and I don't want it to be popped, so I'm gonna put it over there. This is what it look like, guys. So that's my soup. It's not too thick, it's just okay. This is just right. Yeah. And I'll be dishing some out. Where is my, okay, it's here. I can find it. Let's rinse it off. Alright guys, so turn this off. Turn this off. Yes guys, so that's my soup. And so I'll be dishing some out in here. Ooh. Okay. A little yam in there. It's a piece of yam. Okay guys. A potato. Oops, take out that. And take this piece of my pieces scallion out. Here my lovely people. And that's my soup is. Yep. A piece of my cocoa. A cocoa guys. Always when you make soup, you always, well I always, you don't have to if you don't want to, but make sure you put some cocoa in your pot. So that's a nice bowl of soup guys. Yep. It's very steaming. I put it down. Put it over there. And cover it. Yes guys, so I bring this down a bit so you can see my soup over there. Guys, that's it. Yeah, put my hand over there. So that's my spoon of mutton soup. Guys, this is so nice. I get a spoon to oh, pepper. No, the pepper. It's not too thick guys, so it's okay, it's just right. Yeah. Have a dumpling, some meat in there. Yeah. Very nice. And guys, take care until next time. Bye.